Looking to upgrade your car's interior or license plate lights? Ever wondered how the Marsauto T10 LED light bulb can make a huge difference in brightness and style? Is it really worth the hype, and how easy is it to install? Let's dive in and find out. At a glance, you will receive 10 Marsauto T10 LED light bulbs, one user manual or installation guide. Installing method. Unpack the box and check all items listed in the packing list. First, identify which light you want to replace. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to pry off the light cover. Once you've removed the cover, you'll see the old halogen bulb. Gently grab and pull it out. If it's stuck, wiggle it slightly, but be careful, it may be hot if it was recently on. Now, take your Marsauto T10 LED bulb and insert it into the socket. Before putting the cover back on, test the bulb by turning on the lights. If it works, you're good to go. You can replace lights from map lights, license plate lights, dome lights, side marker lights, and center high mount stop light bulbs. Dashboard light, trunk light, glove box light. If you are interested in picking up Marsauto T10 LED light bulb for car, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Check compatibility before purchase to ensure it matches your vehicle. Features: fit bulb sizes, (194 LED bulbs could fit most of the positions of the car, but do not fit all positions of your car, according to the year and model of your car. Each bulb has 5 pieces high-power SMD LED, color temperature, 6000 Kelvin xenon white, voltage, 12 volts. It is truly no polarity, can light on 2 sides. No need more modification or flip, plug and play, easy install within 5 minutes. 50,000 plus hours lifespan. Specifications: warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.